What happens when a beneficiary in a will passes away and they have a spouse and children? What happens? Well, we have to look at the original document. So does the will say, I am leaving to, I'm going to make up a fancy name, Jane Doe. I am leaving the sum $10,000 Doe. Now, does that specific bequest then say, in the event that Jane Doe predeceases me, this bequest will lapse? That means Jane, it's kind of survival of the fittest. Jane does not outlive the original will maker, testator, person that's giving Jane $10,000. Jane doesn't outlast, then she doesn't get it by virtue of that. Her spouse doesn't get it. Her children do not receive the text. That specific paragraph can be written in such a way that go to the heirs of Jane. So it could be heirs of Jane, estate Jane. They might be different. Jane may have a spouse, children, and may not want to give money to them, or she might trust. She may give everything to Good Samaritan Hospital, Jude's Children's Home, or somewhere else. I don't even want to get into this spouse video for another. Does it go to Jane's estate, or does it go to the heirs of? Wouldn't include her spouse. What to do? Well, it starts with reading the document. We look at the will. Can we tell from a plain read? And if we can, then that answers the question posed. If we can't understand what the will says, because it's silent on it, we then refer to a big rule book or the law, and that would be the EPTL, the Estate Trusts and Probate Law. And I make the determination, the language of that paragraph matches up with the language in the law, and that'll help us determine where. If you need help determining where specific bequests go, reach out, frankbrunolaw.com.